Apples are one of the most misunderstood fruits when it comes to diabetes management. Many people avoid them completely because they think all fruits will spike their blood sugar. But that is not the complete truth you need to know. One medium apple contains about 25 grams of carbohydrates, which does affect blood sugar. However, it also provides 4 grams of fiber that slows down how quickly sugar enters your bloodstream. This fiber also feeds beneficial gut bacteria and can improve insulin sensitivity over time. The real problem happens when you eat apples alone on an empty stomach. This can cause your blood sugar to rise quickly without anything to slow it down. The solution is simple and practical for everyone. Pair your apple with protein or healthy fat, like a handful of almonds or a tablespoon of peanut butter. This combination slows digestion and prevents rapid glucose spikes while keeping you full longer. Always eat the whole apple with its skin instead of drinking apple juice. Apple juice removes all the beneficial fiber and concentrates the sugar into a liquid form. Monitor your blood sugar 1 to 2 hours after eating an apple to see your individual response. This personal data helps you adjust portion sizes and pairing strategies for better diabetes control.